all. Children, today I'm again with another word problem of exercise 5.2 arithmetic progression chapter number 5 of class 10. Okay, so in this question, what is given? First we will read out. Okay, it is given that the sum of the fourth and the eighth term of an AP is 24. It is given that when we add the fourth and the eighth term of this AP, we get the sum as 24. Okay, and the sum of sixth and the 10th term is 44. And when we add the sixth and the 10th term, we get the sum as 44. Now we have to find out the first three terms of this AP. Okay, so one by one we are going to make the equation. Okay, how to form it and then how to solve it. It's so easy. Okay, so now the fourth term will be written in the AP with the general formula as a plus n minus 1 t. Okay, so the fourth term will be as a4 is equal to a. We don't have this a and d, means the first term and the common difference. We don't know. These are the unknown quantities. We need to find them first. Okay, so n here is 4. Okay, because we are writing the fourth term. So a4 will be a plus 3. Okay, similarly the eighth term will be a plus 7d. Okay, now children, what is given? That the sum of this fourth and this eighth term is equal to 24. Means that when we add the fourth term and the eighth term, we get the sum as 24. Or in other words, what is our fourth term? It is a plus 3d plus, and the eighth term is your a plus 7d is equal to 24. Okay, now we can add up the like terms. So a plus a is 2a plus 3d 7d. These are like terms because both are containing d. Okay, so 3d plus 7d will be 10d is equal to 24. Okay, now what we are going to do? See, 2 can be taken as common in all these three terms. So we will take out 2 as common from all these terms. So it can be more, it can be simplified in a more, it can be simplified. Okay, so now 2 is multiplied 2. When this will go to the other side, it will be dividing 24. So the equation that finally we get is a plus 5d, and when 24 is divided by 2, we get 12. Okay, so the first equation is a plus 5d is equal to 12. Okay, now similarly we need to find the other equation in order to find the unknown quantities here. Okay children, so let's see how to find the next equation. The sixth term can be written as a6 is equal to a plus 5d, and the 10th term can be written as a10 is equal to a plus 9d. Okay, now what is given? That the sum of the 6th and the 10th term is equal to 44. It means when we add the 6th and the 10th term, we get the sum as 44. Okay, so a plus, in place of a6, you can write down this, its general form, plus a plus 9, and the sum of the 6th and the 10th term is given as 44. So we will write 44. A plus a is your 2a plus 5d plus 9d is equal to 14d. Okay, so we have added the like terms here. Okay, now again 2 can be taken as common from these terms. Okay, so 2a plus 7d. Okay, this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So the second equation that we get is 22 is equal to a plus 7 Okay, so our first equation was a plus 5d is equal to 12, and our second equation is a plus 7d is equal to 22. Now what we are going to do? We are going to subtract the first equation from the second equation in order to find the unknown quantities here. Okay, second equation, a plus 7d is equal to 22. We have to subtract the first equation from it. Okay, so we will change the sign here. Plus will become minus, plus will become minus. Now this plus a and minus a will get cancelled. 70 plus minus is minus, so we get 2d is equal to 22 minus 2 is 12 is your 10. Okay, so 2 into d, that is 10 by 2. So the value of d is equal to 5. Okay, now we have to find the first term here. So we can put the value of d either in the first equation or in the second equation. That depends on you all. Okay, so I'm putting the value of d is equal to 5 in the first equation in order to find the first term. Okay, so a plus 5 into d is your 5 is equal to 20. So a plus 5 is 25 is equal to 12. Okay, now this plus 25 will, when its side will change, it will become minus. So it will become a is equal to 12 minus 25, that is equal to minus 13. So the first term is equal to minus 13. Now we have to find the second term as well as the third term. So just we have now the values of a also, the first term, and the common difference d also. Now we can just put the values in the general formula. Okay, let's see how to do it. The formula for the second term is a plus d. Okay, now just we'll put the value. A is your minus 13 plus your d is 5. Okay, now plus minus is minus, but the sign will be a bigger number. So 13 is having minus sign, so it will become minus 8. Okay, now the third term. The formula for the third term is given as a plus 2d. Just substitute the value of a and d. So a is your minus 13 plus 2 into, and d is your 5. So minus 13 plus 5 is 10. That is minus 3. Okay. So children, the first three terms of this AP is minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. Okay. Hope you find my explanation very easy to understand. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then kindly subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button.